Hey, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein, and today we're going to talk about whether or not you need an EIN for each type of business that you have. So it's very common for a business owner to have multiple lines of business. You may have multiple YouTube channels, multiple websites, multiple programs, multiple kind of divisions of your business. And you may be wondering, do you need to get a EIN for every single business line or every single project that you have? Because in your head, you kind of think of them as separate businesses. So first, let's make sure we're all on the same page about an EIN. An EIN is an employer identification number that you get from the IRS, from the Internal Revenue Service in the United States. That number is for a number of different purposes. One is if you have employees, that's how you're going to file all your employment tax stuff. But it's also the tax number for that business. You're going to use that number when you get your business license. You're going to use it for state stuff. You're going to use it for all kinds of filings. Think of it as the Social Security number for your business. So whether or not you need a new EIN for different aspects of your business depends upon, are they different legal entities or just different divisions of your business or projects inside your business? So what do I mean by a legal entity? A legal entity is a sole proprietorship, which is just you as a human person having a business, a partnership, multiple owners who together are operating business, or LLC, or a corporation. Could be an S Corp or a C Corp. Each of those legal entities need their own EIN, generally speaking. However, if you have multiple projects that are underneath one of those legal entities, they don't need their own EIN because they're not separate legal entities. So it's very common for someone to form an LLC and have multiple things under it. They have one LLC that covers their YouTube channel, it covers this website, it covers that website, it covers their consulting work. You only need one EIN for all that. You may even do the bookkeeping separately. You may have separate bank accounts for the different businesses, but they're going to file one tax return for that LLC. And in that case, you only need one EIN. However, if you formed a separate legal entity for your website businesses from your consulting business, then each of them will need their own EIN. The same thing if you actually did DBAs for your different projects. So you're a sole proprietor, you haven't formed any sort of special legal entity, it's just you as the business owner, and then you have a DBA for this website, you have a DBA for your consulting work, you have a DBA for this project over here. You may think of them as separate business lines, and they may have their own bank accounts and everything, but they're all one business legally. It's really just you. So you're gonna have one EIN that covers all those different business lines. Again, this is Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein. If you have any questions about this issue, feel free to ask it below. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more legal tips for small business owners. See you later.